Hi, I'm Bob Ramika, and I'm the co-founder and CEO of Ragie. In this video, I'm going to be talking about Ragie Connect. Ragie Connect allows you to embed RAG in your AI applications that are connected to your users' data in places like Google Drive, Notion, and more. In a minute, I'm going to be showing you how this works using an open source reference application that we built called BaseChat. But before we show the example, let's show where to configure Ragie Connect in your Ragie dashboard. Either create or sign in to your Ragie account at secure.ragie.ai. Once you're in the Ragie dashboard, click on Connections. Once you've clicked on Connections, go to Manage Embedded Connectors and enable a connector. And that's all you need to do to enable a connection. We've already enabled the Google Drive connector, so I'm going to use that going forward in the next example. Okay, now that you know how to set up Ragie Connect in the dashboard, let's fire up BaseChat. I've already cloned and pre-configured a .m file in our BaseChat project with an API key and webhook from the dashboard, so let's run it in the terminal. First, let's fire up our webhook. Then let's fire up BaseChat, and let's open it up in a browser. And we're up and running. For our example, BaseChat is a multi-tenant SaaS application that allows users to create an account, connect their data sources, and chat with their internal knowledge bases, all powered by Ragie Connect. Let's get started with the demo by creating a tenant for a financial advisor firm that wants to chat with their knowledge base. I'm going to create a tenant. We'll call it Capital Advisors. I've created a chatbot now with no data, but I'm going to add data through Ragie Connect. Now I'm being redirected to Ragie Connect, and it's saying that BaseChat uses Ragie Connect to connect my data. So I'm going to continue. I'll add my Google Drive folder. And now I'm connected. While this is connecting, I can look at the Ragie dashboard and I can see what's happening. A brand new connection has been created, and documents will begin syncing. Great. Now I can see in my webhooks that I've been being pinged about the progress of the sync. And now that some data has been synced, I can go and chat and ask a question. And I get an answer based on the data that was synced via Ragie Connect. Let's take a quick look at some of the code bits that were used to implement Ragie Connect in BaseChat. First, when we connected, we were redirected to Ragie Connect through this endpoint. We got redirected back to our callback and processed the connection, and webhooks processed the status of the sync. And that's it. That's all we had to do to hook up a user's Google Drive with a multi-tenant AI application like BaseChat. Thanks for checking out Ragie Connect. We're looking forward to seeing what you build with it.